So the beautiful cottage house you are watching on the screen, in this video I'll share the complete floor plan with all the sizes and details, so keep watching the video. So this is the floor plan of the house. There is a 2-bedroom cottage house. The total area I have taken for this house is width is 23 feet in meter 7 meter and the length is 20 feet in meter 6 meter. So in the front we have a door here. After that we'll go inside. So we have living plus kitchen cum dining area. You can see here the sofa arrangement, tea table arrangement and also TV unit on the front wall, and we have a dining counter with 3 chairs, and on the right side we have kitchen cabinet with burner, sink and refrigerator arrangement, and also a large glass panel for ventilation and light purpose of this area, and 2 more large size window for ventilation and light purpose of this area. After that we'll go inside. So we have bedroom number 1 here on the left side. You can see here the bed arrangement, wardrobe arrangement and also a study table with chair, and we have 2 large size window for ventilation and light purpose of this room. And on the right side we have common use washroom plus water closet here. You can see here the wash basin, water closet and the shower area, and we have a ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. If you go on the right side, so we have bedroom number 2 here. You can see here the bed arrangement, wardrobe arrangement and also study table with chairs and 2 large size window for ventilation and light purpose of this room. So this is the floor plan of the house you are watching on the screen. If you want your free house design, so comment below. If you like the video, keep watching the video. Stay tuned with my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks.